Okay, so this is a short tutorial on how to use the Excel sheet that has all the data for the graduates. Okay, assuming that you have downloaded the file, this is the file. Let's double click the file. Okay, it'll take a while to open up because it has a lot of data. Let's go and start up. Okay. Okay, now this is the main screen, and of course you will get this warning. Make sure you enable this, otherwise the refresh button will not work. So I'm going to enable content. This is a macro. That's the small program that runs behind this button. So I'm going to turn this on. There you go. Again, this basically has two sheets. It has the find info that has all the data. Okay, and it has another sheet that has all the base tables and the basic information that you need to run your main file. Okay, so you basically do not make any changes here, otherwise you'll mess up everything. Okay, let's go to the file info sheet. Okay, and if you go right on top, you have all these fields over here which you can use to filter out the data that you're looking for. Okay, okay, let me just, okay, so let's say I go to the first one over here, and again all of these fields are drop downs, and you can select the one that you want. Okay, let's say we want according to nationality, and of course you can have multiple selections. Let's say I want all the students from Kuwait. You can also type in Al Kuwait. Okay, and of course, and let's say I want to add all male students, Kuwaiti students from the faculty. Click on refresh data, and again it might take a little more time. Okay, for me it loaded up really fast, and these are basically the criteria that you entered. All male students or graduates from the faculty, regardless of the takhasus and the department, of course. Again, you can add this one over here. There you go. Okay, so it's basically a combination. Let's say you want to start from top. Let's say you want to remove everything, so you can select blank from here, and of course select blank from here. And let's say I refresh it again. So this is basically how you use it. Okay, and if you do not want to use this technique, you can also come over here right on top. Okay, and then what you can do is you have the option to filter data, and it should be over here. Okay, there you go. You place your mouse anywhere over here. Okay, and you can click on the filter. Okay, and again this will help you in filtering the information. Let's say I want all the students from, let's say, Bahrain. Okay, there you go. Let me say okay, and there you go. These are all the students from Bahrain. Okay, you want to remove the filter, you can go ahead and do that. Just click on this one and it goes away and shows you all the information that is available in the database. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can always email me, of course. Thank you very much.